Hi, today I'm ready for Motorola Moto G53 and I will show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to network in internet. Continue by click to internet section, tap to the Wi-Fi to activate this option. And after that you'll see here all the available networks. Just let's use this one. If you wanna just see the password, you should enter it and then click here to the show password checkbox. I'll enter it out of screen. So let's just tap to connect. Wait a second and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. You can sure use more networks here by the same way, just by entering the password, tap to connect. After that you'll see here that all of saved networks with the passwords here in saved networks list section. Just if you wanna turn off all the Wi-Fi, you should also just click here to this Wi-Fi switcher. And also we got one more way how we can activate the Wi-Fi. We should open notification panel shortcuts, click here to Wi-Fi icon. Now it's turned on. Just to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon and that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.